we had owned it, it worked very well for us. We had great performance from Tesla, but we decided to pull back and take the chips off the table, if you will. I mean, obviously, at the time we bought it, we recognized that Tesla was more than just an automobile company, right? It's geared to solar, clean energy, which are some of the more longer-term thematic areas within tech. But it got a little pricey for us, and we just took the chips off the table.
Yeah. The last point I'll make is that Phil LeBeau is emailing to give us some perspective too. Nobody knows it better than Phil. That every industry veteran that he talks to thinks it's, quote, lunacy to believe that Tesla can ever hit 20 million. They point out, says Phil, that most vehicles ever sold by an automaker in 1 year is 10.5 to 11 million. Toyota and Volkswagen both got to that level a few years ago. So it is good to put it into perspective like Phil does for us, Shan, when looking at these forecasts, which I know we're sort of chuckling about. The numbers are big and they do go far out.
I think that total addressable market is, it's a blessing and a curse in some ways. I mean, obviously there's a huge total addressable market for automobiles, but there remains a lot of skeptics as it relates to electric vehicles. The ability of Tesla to share their intellectual property and monetize it across other industries, that's still nascent. And so for us, this has always been a tough stock to be in. We haven't bought the stock. We're not in it now. But certainly we want to see sustainability and a plan to get to not only those vehicle numbers, but also to monetize all of this great intellectual property that Tesla is demanding as it relates to this valuation.
Yeah. All right, we'll take a quick break, come back. We have John's latest unusual activity trades. I got 3 of them on my list. If you want to stay tuned for that. Let's share the S&P sectors. Energy, another good day for energy, as Josh was mentioning OPEC with some perhaps positive comments today on the space. S&P's up 23. That's 2/3%. We're back.